Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from BizBuilders, and if you're planning to start an LLC in Arkansas in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, this video is going to help you avoid some very common and very costly mistakes. Because Arkansas is one of those states that feels almost too easy at first. Low filing fee, simple online system, quick approval, and that's exactly why people mess it up. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the actual step-by-step process to form an Arkansas LLC correctly, not just to get approved, but to stay compliant without surprise penalties later. Let's get into it. The two ways people approach Arkansas. When it comes to forming an LLC in Arkansas, people usually fall into one of two camps. Option 1, you rush it. You file online with the Arkansas Secretary of State, see the low fee, assume you're done, skip deeper research, delay tax registration, and don't think much about what happens after formation. Option 2, you understand that Arkansas is simple up front, but strict on ongoing compliance, and you set things up correctly from day one. Arkansas doesn't punish you immediately, it punishes you later. DIY in Arkansas often backfires. I tried the DIY route once in Arkansas. At first, it felt smooth. The $45 online filing fee was cheap. Approval came fast. Everything looked fine. Then, the problems started. Between understanding Arkansas's registered agent requirements, realizing that the annual franchise tax is mandatory every single year, figuring out tax registration with the Department of Finance and Administration, and dealing with banking requirements that needed cleaner documentation than I expected, I ended up wasting weeks fixing issues I didn't even know I'd created. And yes, I still paid someone later to clean it all up. Arkansas doesn't make noise when you mess up, it just quietly racks up consequences. What you actually need to start an Arkansas LLC. Here's what you actually need to do it right. First, choose your business name. Arkansas has naming rules and restricted words, so always have a backup ready. Second, appoint a registered agent with a physical street address in Arkansas. This is legally required. P.O. boxes don't qualify. Third, file your articles of organization with the Arkansas Secretary of State. This is what legally creates your LLC. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. You'll need this for banking, taxes, payroll, and compliance. Fifth, register with the Arkansas Department of Finance and Administration for state taxes, if applicable. Many people skip this step early and regret it later. Sixth, understand and prepare for Arkansas's annual franchise tax requirement. This is mandatory every year, even if your LLC makes no money. And seventh, open a business bank account so your personal and business finances stay clearly separated. Arkansas is easy to start, but it expects you to stay organized. Arkansas quirks most people miss, 2026. Here's what trips people up in Arkansas. Every Arkansas LLC must pay an annual franchise tax to remain in good standing. Missing the franchise tax can lead to penalties and administrative dissolution. Registered agent information must stay current at all times. Banks often require clean EIN plus formation documents before approving accounts. Cheap to start does not mean hands-off to maintain. Most issues don't show up in month 1. They show up in year 1. Why professional help makes sense here. That's exactly why I recommend Taylor Brands for Arkansas. They handle Arkansas Registered Agent Articles of Organization Filing EIN Operating Agreement, guidance on Arkansas tax registration, compliance reminders for franchise tax, help opening your business bank account. Most importantly, they understand Arkansas's post-formation obligations, which is where most people slip. Cost, why Arkansas attracts founders. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Arkansas's required state filing fees. Same cost as DIY, but without missing the steps that come back to haunt you. Final thought. Arkansas is a great state to form an LLC if you respect the long game. Use the link in the description and get your Arkansas LLC formed properly and build your business on a foundation that won't crack later. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more real, no-fluff business advice, and I'll see you in the next video.